Hello 朋友们，大家好 Welcome to Melan's Kitchen. If you like the video, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to help the channel grow. Today we will make Wintermelon Mooncake for the Mid-Autumn Festival. We eat mooncake every year for the festival. The exact amount of ingredients is in the description box. Now I show you how to make it. Let's get started. This is a wintermelon. Would you look at the size of the stem? We will only use some of the melon for this recipe, so I will only cut a part of it to use. I'm using a knife to peel the skin because of how big it is. Cut the melon in half. Then we need to remove the seed. And then split the melon. Now slice the melon and julienne. You can use a grater for the melon, but I'm using my knife. This looks like a lot, but it will shrink when it's cooked. Now boil it in some water. When it starts to boil, let it cook for 1 minute. Now take it out and put it in an ice bath. Next, we will strain it in a cheesecloth. Make sure to squeeze all of the excess water from the melon. Remove the melon from the cheesecloth. Now add a couple teaspoons canola oil into a wok. Spread the oil evenly. Add the melon in and cook on medium-high heat. When the melon starts to shrink, add the sugar in. Then add in the maltose. Now cook it all together until the sugar and maltose is completely mixed in. When it's completely mixed together, remove it from the heat. The filling should stick together when cooked correctly. Now let it cool down for 2 hours. Let's make the dough. Add in fresh Invert sugar syrup. I will link my recipe for the syrup in the description box. Now add canola oil and Lye Water. Mix everything together until it looks sticky. Add in flour and mix. You can use your hand when it starts to clump up. When mixed thoroughly, wrap the dough to prevent it from drying. Let it rest for 30 minutes. Now weigh out the filling. Weigh out about 45 grams and load it into a bowl. This recipe should make 12 mooncakes. Now split the dough into 12 pieces. Each piece should weigh 35 grams. And load it into a bowl. Make sure to cover it. Now spread some flour. Flatten the dough with your palm and roll it out. Now add the filling in the center and close it. Brush some flour on the mooncake to prevent it from sticking in the mold. You can also add some flour in the mold. Now put the mooncake in the mold. Press the mooncake down with the mold 2 times. Before baking, spread the mooncake with some water. Now bake it for 8 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then take it out and brush it with an egg wash. For the egg wash, we only use the egg yolk. Brush the mooncake with only 1 layer. Now bake again at 345 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 minutes. After 8 minutes, take it out and let it rest for at least 3 hours before eating. Now your mooncake is done. Wow, looks good. Time for taste test. It's so cute. Let's cut it open. Look at the mirror inside. Let's try it. So good. It's sweet. The filling is very soft. I love winter melons. I make this every year for Mooncake Festival. It's very delicious. If you guys have any question and would like to be mentioned in the next video, feel free to comment those questions down below. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. If you guys like the video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Have a nice day, buddy. 再见。